Okay, we're going to have a look at money over the next couple of weeks, and today we're starting off with one. You're allowed to use a calculator in it, but we're starting off with one where you've got to read the question and decide what sort of calculations involved. So, is it going to be multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, or a combination of these? So let's have a look at our first problem here. John bought 3 pies and 4 sausage rolls for his colleague's lunch. If a pie costs £1.15 and a sausage roll £1.20, how much did he spend? Well, he's got 3 of the pies and 4 of the sausage rolls, so it's going to involve multiplying and adding. So the cost for the first one is going to be 3 pies, well, it's 3 times 1.15, which is the cost of 1 pie, plus 4 times £1.20, giving us a total. Remember I said you can use a calculator. So 3 times 1.15 plus 4 times 1.2 gives us a fraction. Remember, if it gives you a fraction, the S to D button on your calculator will change it back into a decimal. Okay, so we've got £8.25. Now, remember, we always want 2 decimal places if it's money. Okay, it gives us 2 here, but if it had been £8.20, it would come up with 8.2 on my calculator. I'd have to remember to put in the extra 0. But let's just stick that in. So we said £8.25 for that one. That is what it cost him. Although you're using your calculator, do write out the calculation. It doesn't take very long. And if I made a silly slip up, I'd still get most of the marks for doing that. You might be a 3-mark question. I'd get 2 out of 3 if I wrote down my calculation, even if I wrote something silly for the last line. Okay, let's look at the next one. Susan bought a car for £7,401.60. If she pays for it with equal monthly payments over 3 years, how much does she pay per month? So, first of all, I need to know how many months in 3 years. That's going to be multiplying. Then I need to divide this, because that's the total, by the total number of months. So, months first of all, let's work that out. That's 12 months in a year, so that's 36 months. Okay, so the monthly payment is going to be the total, which is 7401.60, divided by the number of months. If we work that out, again, using my trusty calculator, I'll do it. 7401.6 divided by 36 gives me, fraction again, S to D, 205.6. Remember what I said, we can't leave it like that. We must put in a 0 to go with it. So buying this car over 3 years will cost £205.60. Okay, have a go at that first exercise. You can mark it once you've done the questions. Remember, the only bit I want you to submit on Teams is the quiz, which is a few questions, 1 or 2 questions, which you'll get on Thursday. Okay, have a good day.